huge bite on here. Oh my gosh, I got a huge fish. What's up? Today I am at the beach and we're fishing saltwater, which I haven't done in a while, and I also haven't taken many videos of, but should be pretty cool. We're going right across the street on a brackish river. There could be anything over there. I'll just show you what we're gonna use over there, and I guess let's walk over there and we'll see what happens. Alright guys, so here's the dock we're gonna be at. We got 3 poles and looks pretty good out here. It's calm, a little windy, but we'll see what we can get into. Alright guys, we have some mullet and some squid right here. So let's try some squid first. It's a little frozen. There we go. We're just gonna use little pieces and see what we can get. We're just using little Gamakatsu hooks. Let's check it out there. I just got a bite, guys. I'm not sure. Guess we'll watch. Oh, could have been a mullet. Oh, hey, a fish just came up right by my line. Guys, I just got a huge bite on here. Huge bite. I don't know what that was, something big. I feel it, I think. Oh no, it wasn't on there. There's fish jumping everywhere. That was a huge bite, Ange. That had to be a redfish. That was crazy. I heard my rod bending. It was such a hard bite. I don't know if I got the bite on camera, but my whole rod, I've never seen this surf rod bend that much. Alright, well, I was a little afraid I was gonna pull it in the water. It pulled it so hard. There's mullet jumping everywhere. Alright guys, so I just reeled it up after that big bite. It took the squid and it tried to take the mullet. So I'm gonna re-rig and I'm gonna put some bigger hooks on. Got some better hooks in here. There we go. I'm just gonna put one bigger one on with the mullet.
I love you. Are you a scaredy cat?
He has all dogs. Like best he does is though is like with Wrigley. Like an older, bigger dog he seems to do better with.
Oh my gosh, I got a huge fish. Oh. I don't know what that is, Ange. Oh, it is. It's a skate.
There he is.
Will you hold this, Ange, so I can get the net? I don't know if it'll fit in this one.
Oh my God, big one too.
Yeah. Yes.
These don't sting, do they?
No, they don't have a barb like a
What is it, Skipper?
Awesome. It ate the squid. I've never caught one of those, I don't think. Yeah. Okay.
Now hold them up. Maybe.
Wow.
Boy, you're a mess.
Right, guys. Wow. It's pretty heavy. Wow. Alright, guys, so I don't want to freak out because the lady that's letting us use our dock was over here, and it's not like a huge rare catch or anything, but that's the first one I've ever caught. That was just awesome. But I think I got the video, and that was just on this squid head right here. It just took that whole thing, it bent my rod over. It must have been the thing that was there earlier. So let's cast more back out and see what we can get. That was awesome. Right, guys, I'm gonna recast. Okay. Guys, yeah, I'm getting small bites on here, I'm pretty sure. It's not just, oh, yep, inch. Got it, I think. Doesn't feel very big. Well, actually, I'm not sure if I have it, but... Oh, I got it. Oh, dang, it came off. Definitely had something. Did you see that bite? I'm gonna cast right back out there. Try to get another one. Alright, guys, heading back. We caught one skate, and off camera we got a crab, and it pinched Ange, who I was with, and she started bleeding, and it was a big crab. We didn't keep it though, we let it go, and I guess he's off to pinch someone else for another day. I'll be here for a month and a half or 2 months almost, so I'll be making a bunch more videos in the saltwater, and hope you guys will stay tuned and see what else I can get. Yesterday, I caught a few sharks. I'm pretty sure there were dogfish. Well, that was off the surf. Probably make some surf videos. But I'll see you guys next time. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See what else I can get out here.